In Surat, the Diamond City, a new jewel is here to slay. It's Bullet Train Station. The design takes inspiration from diamonds. Sharp, bright and modern. Located in Antaroli, just 11 kilometers from the main station. It's totally plugged in. Metro, BRTS, buses, highways, local rail. Step inside and it's pure comfort. Wide halls, smooth lifts, escalators and clear signs guiding every step. With sunshine sliding in and fresh air flowing, it's no chaos, everything seamless. It's built across 58,000 square meters and standing 26 meters tall. At the station, 3 levels stacked. Ground floor, parking and drop-offs. Middle floor, the concourse, easy flow, easy vibe. And right on top, the high-speed bullet train platforms waiting to roll. It's more than just an infrastructure. It's progress, our pride. A station that shows India's high-speed future. And yes, it's an absolute drip for the city.